we have Ryan Toys review. Da 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 da! Join me again. Look at this.
You have one Mr. Slime,
Yeah.
one squishy figure, one Putty, one mystery plush, one mystery figure, or two mystery figures, and one light and sound vehicle. Egg exclusive.
Yeah, let's all open it, guys. So hard to open, guys. Don't be so good, guys. Look at this egg, guys. Can be something inside. We need to put open.
Crack the egg, Shen.
Wow! It has with a lot of toys, but guys, let's see what's inside there.
Let's see what's there. Wow.
Our
Open it.
run bags and run things.
Wow, what's in here?
Okay, is this like egg here? Or this? Oh my god!
Squishy. Look, look. Maybe there's something more over here. Look, Shen. What's in here?
Da 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 da! Wow! What are these for, guys? And look, they have Combo Panda!
Oh, yeah. It will have a sound. Wow. Which one you want to open first? Let's open this for Sadie. Open this for Sadie.
Guys, you can look at Sadie's face.
Yeah.
He can talk to you guys. And look,
Right here, Sadie.
I like Combo Panda.
Hmm?
Oh my god, guys! Who's gonna be this? Who's gonna be this? Who's gonna be? Focus! Focus! Ah! Yee!
Who's that?
Ryan!
That's the slime. Don't give that to Sadie.
This is my sister, Sadie.
Say hi, Sadie.
Say hi, Sadie. She's the two Mr. Figures.
Open it. What did you get?
Okay, guys, we're gonna take another one.
Which one did you get?
Oh my god! It's
Gus.
Gus! He's the alligator. Oh, Gus.
What's that?
They have this one in
Trophy?
What do you have? This is our trophy.
Number one. Who's that, Sadie? That's Gus. Say Gus. It's mystery's squishy figure.
Can we open this, Mommy? It's a good Ryan.
It's a Titan. Whoa! Let me see.
Before safely. Look at that.
Fun.
Look at this little chili. just an A. Can't you see? We're only need a pudding. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
No, it's a blue one pala.
Guys, a blue one. I gotta take this off, guys. You know we have a green one, but it's so sticky, guys. Go. Oh my god, guys. This. Oh my god, it's. Guys, look at my hand. It's blue.
Oh no, it's blue.
Okay. Take it off. It's sad. Or for combo fan. Or combo fan.
Ooh, Sadie.
Okay, Ryan. And look at this, guys.
Gus.
Gus. It is UFO.
With an alien. What's this?
Oh, that's like a thing, but
Alien Ryan.
Alien Ryan. What?
And Professor Ryan. You like it, Sadie? You like it, Sadie? Here comes Ryan. Here comes Ryan. Woo.
Look, guys, he's doing dancing, guys.
Whoa.
Subscribe for more videos. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 You said bye to my slide. He said bye to my slide.
Oh no, they're inside this now.
Guys, look at that.
Woo.
Subscribe for more videos.